National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lone Oak County and central Arkansas, Faulkner County and central Arkansas, southwestern White County and central Arkansas, northeastern Pulaski County and central Arkansas, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Guy to near Spring Hill to Conway, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conway, Jacksonville, Cabot, Searcy, Little Rock Air Force Base, Beebe, Greenbrier, Ward, Valonia, Mayflower, Austin in Lone Oak County, Worcester, Quitman, Guy, Rosebud, Damascus, Enola, Twin Groves, Mount Vernon, Old Austin,